Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody's trying to put texture on a polymer type pistol grip on a handgun. And I'm not 100% sure. I don't know if he's asking me about settings or what. He actually brought up color mapping. But this is what he sent me. Now, I think I've done a little reading on this before, and this is done with like a soldering iron type effect where they just heat it up. But the laser should do it. I don't know about safety of the smell or the ingredients. I would post it on a couple of laser Facebook pages and tell them what you're going to do and get some opinions from somebody that maybe done it. But anyway, it doesn't trace where the flip, but it traces okay to get an outline from it. So I've got this outline. It's all ungrouped together. Let's see what our nudge factor is. We need at least 5 inches of nudge. And I'm going to select this all, and I'm going to put a boundary on it. And then I'm going to nudge it out of the way. Then I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour to the outside 1/4 of an inch with rounded corners. And it did that. Now I'm going to go up to Effects, break contour apart, and move this down, and then go to contour to the inside 1/4 of an inch. Go up to Object, break contour apart, and then move our contour up, and we have a contour around the items. Now this is the traced item, and it's not where the flip. And I would make this red so you can use your red dot pointer with a hairline. Now we just need to make these circles for the grip. And he was asking me about settings. I have no clue. This is where somebody from Facebook could maybe help you. So I'm going to draw a 0.2 circle. Let me zoom in here. I am going to double click on my pen tool down here. First, I want to make it black. And then I'm going to make it 2 points or thereabout to get that circle look. Then I'm going to open up under Windows, Dockers, and transformation. We're going to make 30 of those with 0.24 to give them some space between them. Now we're going to grab these, and we're going to do just the opposite, 0.24 by 0, and hit apply. Now we need to take all this, go up to Object and group them together, and then bring in our pistol grip somewhere in the middle. It doesn't really matter. If I was doing this for real, I would really look at some things, where it is on the corners, and, you're going to have to clean up that red line. But let's see what it looks like. Let's select it all and go up to intersect. And in that short of time it intersected that. You still need to take your line out of the way. So we'll just nudge that out of the way. Now, when you intersect, it made it hairlines. But we can go right back to the pen tool, go the 2 points, and go in black. And that is your grip texture, if that's what you want. And then we can nudge that red dot point line over there. And I would just, you need to clean up this line and then run some tests on that pistol. And then I would be kind of anal. This scares me. I don't think I'd want to do a pistol grip. But then I would delete these little bitty nodules that aren't needed. And if you could take the pistol grip, I think this pistol grip is part of the grip. So you're just texturing this layer of stuff. This one probably comes from manufacturer. If you had a pistol grip that comes off the gun and it's all going to be textured, I would just use this right here. Maybe scale it down, put your item in there and cut some of these away. And I would laser the whole grid on that grip. But that's if you can take it off and it won't run over the gun. This way, if you're going to have to do this, you're going to have to take your red dot pointer set it on 0 power and open your door and have the red dot follow that curvature to see if you're in the right spot. I have no clue if I'm helping. I've never done a pistol grip. I stay away from even wooden ones. I do not, I don't need to take the chance. But people that are in business in laser, I'm not really a laser business. I'm a hobbyist. So I can pick and choose what I want. But if you're in the business to make money, maybe you need this business. And if you got good at it, you know, maybe word of mouth. So I would just take away all that little bit of preview, little bitty stuff. I truly hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.